If you are looking for the best portable dishwashers, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. hOmeLabs Compact Countertop Portable Dishwasher. For a dishwasher that is small but powerful, we recommend the hOmeLabs Compact Countertop Dishwasher. The EdgeStar portable dishwasher features a no-tools assembly and includes an inlet and drain hose as well as a faucet outlet. Easily sits on countertops or tabletop requiring less space. With a simple user control panel and light indicators. Program selector has 6 wash cycle options. The hOmeLabs comes with 6 wash settings, including Eco, Glass, and Rinse. The compact unit, which measures only 17.2 by 19.6 by 21.6 inches, provides a high-quality, streak-free wash. Only use rinse aids designed for an automatic dishwasher to prevent damaging your dishwasher. Number 2. Farberware FDW05ASBWHA Complete Portable Dishwasher. The Farberware Complete Portable Countertop Dishwasher contains a 5-liter water tank that can be connected to a faucet for automatic or manual filling, which makes it useful for camping. This convenient dishwasher can fit a variety of dishes, up to 12 inches in diameter at an angle. Even though it's small, it has a pull-out dish rack and cutlery rack. The portable dishwasher can wash 2 place settings, and it includes a baby care function to sterilize baby bottles. I'll get full-size dishwasher cleaning in a countertop-sized compact unit that offers 5 wash programs. A fruit basket is included so fruit and vegetables can be cleaned. Number 3. EdgeStar DWP62SV6 Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Suited perfectly for a modern kitchen, this countertop portable dishwasher from EdgeStar has a stainless steel interior, and it comes with a dish rack, cup shelf, and cutlery basket. It contains an internal water heater to raise the water temperature up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit that not only cleans dishes but sterilizes them as well. Power: 1160 with 5.7A, input voltage, 120 volts, 60 Hz. This portable dishwasher has a 6-place setting capacity. It operates at just 52 decibels, weighs 44 pounds, and has 7 wash cycles. Number 4. Danby DDW621WDB Portable Countertop Dishwasher. For a dishwasher you can barely hear, we like the Danby Countertop Dishwasher. The attractive all-white countertop unit emits only 52 decibels and has a very low energy consumption of just 203 kilowatt-hours per year. EdgeStar compliant and low water consumption of up to 3.1 gallon. 6 convenient wash cycles. Quiet operation. Maintain ambiance in the kitchen with this quiet dishwasher that operates. Weighing just over 46 pounds, the Danby can handle up to 6 place settings at once and has a hose and faucet adapter that fits most North American sinks. With 7 wash cycles available. Number 5. Farberware Professional FCD06ABBWHA Portable Countertop Dishwasher. This Farberware portable dishwasher comes with 6 dishwashing programs, including a speed cleaning cycle that can wash dishes in 45 minutes, making it a good choice for those who often need clean dishes fast. At less than 45 pounds, it's a good choice for small kitchens, apartments, dorms, or larger RVs. Extra drying function. This feature adds extra heat to the final rinse to enhance drying results. The portable dishwasher has a white exterior and an easy-to-clean interior tub. It holds up to 6 place settings on its fold-down rack shelves and in the cutlery basket.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.